While the whole world is going crazy over bendy phone screens, LG has actually come up with a much more sensible solution with its dual screen cover for the LG V50. This protective cover actually adds a second screen to the smartphone, a 6.2-inch OLED panel, which is on the inside of the cover. This dual screen display and the standard V50 display can be used independently of one another, but they do link up really nicely as well, kind of similar to these bendy smartphone devices. With that dual screen cover attached, you get a handy little icon which pops up on the side of the LG V50's display. A quick tap of this allows you to power on that dual screen display. Otherwise, alternatively, you could pull down the notifications bar on the LG V50's main screen and activate the second display that way. That dual screen display is only a Full HD Plus resolution rather than a Quad HD Plus resolution screen, but as you can see, still perfectly crisp, and with that OLED tech, colours are nice and punchy as well. At any point, you could swap the primary display and the secondary display, which app you have displaying on there. And as you can see, on this dual screen display, you can basically bring up any app that you like that's installed on your smartphone. And LG has also implemented a handy little bit of gesture control as well. Just swipe 3 fingers towards the edge of the display, and as you can see, you will swap whatever app you've got on that screen to the other one. Nifty. Now, of course, this dual screen setup is fantastic for multitasking. Just like the likes of the Samsung Galaxy Fold, you've got lots of screen space to play around with, and of course you can split screen as well, so you can get 3 apps running at the same time. Very, very handy if you want to watch a video while checking out your emails and messaging your friends, something like that. And that dual screen can actually be used as an extension for whatever you're doing on the primary screen as well. So for instance, if you're gaming, you can get a handy little virtual joypad type thing up on that dual screen display, and that just allows you to play without your thumbs getting in the way of the action. That's not all. You can also use the camera app on the main screen and, for instance, have the gallery app open on the second screen, so you can actually view your photos as you shoot them, check them out there in real time without having to pause, go into the gallery app. As you can see, there are all kinds of possibilities on how this dual screen display and the main panel can link up together, and it's a feature that LG is hoping to evolve over time as well to make it even more refined. Now, that dual screen does not have its own built-in battery, so it will basically sap power from the LG V50 when it is in use. Possibly a good thing, because it means you don't have a second battery which you then have to charge up in additional to the primary battery. However, the dual screen cover does have its own graphics chip built in there as well, and that's why all of this gesture support and everything else runs nice and nipply, no lag or anything like that. Of course, with that LG V50 dual screen cover slapped on, it does add quite a bit of extra girth and everything to the phone and makes it super heavy as well. The phone itself is about 180 grams, the dual screen cover is about 130 grams, therefore you're looking at a 300 gram setup once you've got that installed. But the great thing is though, it might be quite cumbersome, but you can just snap that cover off at any point if you just want to use the phone by itself. That's an option you don't have with the likes of the Samsung Galaxy Fold and these other bendy tablets, which basically are quite chunky when they're folded up into their smartphone form. Therefore, we have to say, we reckon the LG solution is better than all of this bendy screen tech, and it will come in a hell of a lot cheaper as well. We haven't got specific UK pricing, but it'll probably be about half the cost, maybe a little bit more, compared with the likes of the Galaxy Fold. So alright, there is our hands-on review with LG's new dual screen cover for the LG V50. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Do you think it's a better alternative to the likes of that bendy screen tech? It'd be great to hear your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more on the latest and greatest mobile tech. Cheers everyone, love you!